Hello friends, welcome back in this video session of refrigeration and air conditioning subject. Today we are going to learn types of air conditioning system. My name is Mr. S.V. Kumbar, Assistant Professor, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Yadra, Ichalkaranji. So in previous video lecture we have studied air conditioning and how air conditioning works. In this video lecture we will start different types of air conditioning system. In earlier video lecture, we have studied classification of air conditioning system, but here we will learn in brief. So first type is winter air conditioning. As the name indicates, winter air conditioning, so we require hot air during winter and it is necessary to give heat input for hot air for the comfort conditioning. And in winter air conditioning, relative humidity of air decreases as it is heated because moisture is completely removed. So it becomes necessary to increase relative humidity by humidifying the air. The air is first passed through air filter to remove dust or any impurity which is present in it, and after that it is passed through heating coil. Now in this figure it is shown. Okay, important components of winter air conditioning are air dampers, air filter, heating coil, air adiabatic humidifier, pump for recirculating the water, compensating water, then water eliminator, heating coil, and this air is given to conditioned space. Now as I told you, air from atmosphere is taken through air dampers. After passing through air damper, this air is filtered in air filter. Here, the dust particle or any impurity which is present in air is removed. After that, this air is heated with the help of heating coil. Due to heating, its relative humidity decreases and this air is then passed through adiabatic humidifier where water is continuously sprinkled here, because of which humidity increases, and after this it is passed through water eliminator. Here the small droplets are eliminated and again air is passed through heating coil where it is heated again, and this hot air is sent to the conditioned space. In winter comfort air conditioning, the temperature of air is maintained at 18 to 22 degrees centigrade and relative humidity is maintained at 50 to 60%. Next one is summer air conditioning for hot and dry weather. As name implies, summer air conditioning is used for summer only. Now, the components of summer air conditioning are dampers, air filter once again, cooling coil. Is in previous case heating coil was used, here cooling coil is used, adiabatic humidifier, water eliminator, and this air to conditioned space. Now we will see how it works. During hot and dry weather, the air at low humidity is first passed through air filter. So first taking through air damper, the air is passed through air filter to remove dust or any unwanted particle which is present in it, and then it is passed over cooling coil to remove heat. Here in this cooling coil, generally we use coolant. During this process, the temperature of air becomes its dew point temperature due to reduction in surface temperature of cooling coil. The surface temperature of coil is controlled by varying quantity of coolant. Generally, we use vapor compression refrigeration system here. Once low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant leaving throttle valve or expansion valve. It is passed through cooling coil. Here, this low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant absorb heat energy from air when it passes over cooling coil, and thus temperature of air becomes low, and this refrigerant is converted into low vapor pressure. Then air is passed through spray type humidifier to increase humidity, and it is passed through an eliminator to remove water droplets. If water droplets are present, then it is removed. And the amount of air passed through air conditioning system is controlled with the help of air damper to load the in air conditioning space. In summer air conditioning for hot and dry weather, the temperature lies between 20 to 23, relative humidity 50 to 60%, and wind velocity is kept as 6 meter to 9 meter per second. Now, next one is year-round air conditioning system. Summer air conditioning system is generally used in summer season. Winter air conditioning system is generally used in winter, but year-round air conditioning system is used throughout year. Means it is a combination of summer as well as winter. So the year-round air conditioning system should have equipment for both summer as well as winter air conditioning, as its name implies. The atmospheric air flows through the damper. The damper controls the quantity of air from atmosphere, and after that it flows through air filter to remove dust and other impurities which is present in air. Now, when this air conditioning system acts as summer air conditioning, then only this cooling coil will work. In summer air conditioning, the cooling coil operates to cool the air to the desired value of temperature and relative humidity, and this heating coil will not work. The dehumidification is obtained by operating the cooling coil at a temperature lower than dew point temperature. In winter air conditioning system, when this year-round air conditioning system has to act as winter air conditioning system, the cooling coil is made inoperative. Only heating coil will operate and heat the air, means atmospheric air will be taken inside this duct. When this air flows through this air filter, it directly flows through adiabatic dehumidifier, and after this water particles are eliminated, and after that water is heated with the help of heating coil, and that hot air is sent to air conditioned space. The spray type humidifier is also made to use the dry season to humidify the air. Now it's a time to learn difference between summer air conditioning and winter air conditioning. So first difference you can mention, summer air conditioning is generally used in summer, winter air conditioning is used generally in winter. Second difference, in summer air conditioning system, air is cooled and dehumidified. That is, moisture is removed. That process is known as dehumidification. When air is cooled as it passes over cooling coil. On the other hand, in winter air conditioning system, air is heated and humidified. Humidification means addition of moisture. Third difference, in summer air conditioning system, cooling coils are used to cool air and to remove the excess moisture in the air. On the other hand, in case of winter air conditioning system, steam is mixed to heat the air and increase the moisture content. Fourth point, before supply to room, the condensed air is passed through water eliminator and heating coil if necessary to maintain the comfort condition of 20 to 22 degrees centigrade, and relative humidity of 40 to 50%. And in case of winter air conditioning system, finally the air is reheated to bring it to the comfortable range of temperature 18 to 22 degrees centigrade in winter and relative humidity of 50 to 60%. And next difference is related to summer air conditioning and winter air conditioning. So fresh air is taken in the filter for air conditioning or for air cleaning. After this, clean air is passed through air cooling coil. Once the air is cooled, it is sent to dehumidification, and after that, these are the three rooms which are shown. Through duct, it is passed through each and every room, and again this air is recirculated again and again for to get particular temperature or relative humidity. On the other hand, in winter air conditioning system, fresh air is taken inside. It is filtered in the air filter for cleaning purpose. Any impurity and unwanted particle is removed here. This air is heated. After heating, this air is sent to dehumidification, and this hot air is sent to a room, and after that this air is recirculated again and again. So summer air conditioning, in this system air is cooled and dehumidified. The outside air flows through damper and is filtered using the filter. The air is then passed through cooling coil, and air gets cooled below the required temperature, and it is also dehumidified. That is, moisture is removed. The cooled air is then passed through water eliminator to remove water particle, and water is collected in the sump. After that, air is made to pass through heating coil to reach desired comfort condition. The conditioned air is now supplied to the space using the blower. So this is all about different types of air conditioning system. Thank you very much.